Welcome to Crypto Sides. And today is July 13th, 2018. It's actually my birthday. We are going to go over technical analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, and Ontology. So, as you can see, if you watch the previous videos, my previous analyses were 100% accurate. Okay? I gave you, basically, I nudged you towards a quick short trade, if you will, where you could have bought right here, sold right here, and wait for the next bottom that will be coming. So let's clear this board, and we're going to start fresh. So let's start off right now. Bitcoin is $6,181 right now. And as you can see, on the MACD, we got two signals. One on the histogram and one on the moving averages. We got two sell signals right now. Okay, and as you can see, right here we had this long bearish wick. We have a lot of sell pressure pushing down. Then we got this waterfall. So I told you last night to buy right here and sell right here. I even drew it for you. Okay? So, as we are still in a bearish trend, we're going to see the bull flag continue to go like this. Okay, and another thing I want to point out, a lot of, see this long red volume candle? Whenever you have a very long volume candle, it sets the trend. So we have a long bearish volume candle, we're going to have a bearish movement. Okay, and let me show you something else. See the Bollinger Bands? It contracted. The Bollinger Bands contracted right here. Whenever the Bollinger Bands contract, that means we're about to have an explosive movement. It can either go up or down. And just like I said, it was going to go down just in this area where I told you. And it sure did. So my prediction, Bitcoin, as I've been predicting, is Bitcoin is going to hit anywhere from the 5,000 to 6,000 range before the next bull run starts. It can go lower, and if there's any big changes in my prediction, I will let you know. But you're going to see the price continue to fall like this until we get into about the 5,000 area. And another thing I want to remind you, the retracement of the Fibonacci retracement of the Bitcoin chart from when it went to 1,000 to 19,200, we're about a 75% retracement. So we have about 5% more to go before we get into that market cycle of emotions and like things like that to start driving the cycle back upwards. So right now we are about 75% retracement from that original peak of the mountain. So we're very close to the end of this long 7-8 month long bear trend that we have all had to endure. But if you were smart, you could have been stacking up your cryptos for the bull run that will be incoming. There's also, like I always say, never get caught up on the news. The news is paid to spread FUD and FOMO. But there are a lot of big investors jumping in right now. My top 3 coins that I'm looking into right now, my number 1 is EOS. My number 2, my number 2 is Zcash. But at first I didn't like Tezos, but now I like Tezos. I found a lot more out about it. I think it's going to be big. It's still a seed that's just been planted on the market. So it's got a lot of room for growth. And another coin we're going to be looking at frequently is Ontology. Ontology is similar to Neo, but Ontology is like a seed. It's just been planted. So we have more room to grow and make more profits than we will with Neo. They're both going to do fantastic, but I'm going to focus more on Ontology than I would Neo, but I'm still going to have some Neo. So, that being said, let's take a look at EOS right now. EOS, as you can see on the MA cross, we got a sell signal, a sell signal, a sell signal, a sell signal. These are all bearish indicators. Then we got the Bollinger Bands, which is telling us an explosive movement. Now, what's going to happen? We're going to see another waterfall. It's going to go like this, then it's going to go like this, then it's going to continue to go down until we finish that retracement, which will be soon, which I predict will be between $5,000 to $6,000 before we start having that slow ramp up for the next long bull run. So if you're getting in this market now, you are at a beautiful time to be jumping into the crypto market. Okay, and if you want to take the time to learn how to trade, I will be offering classes, and believe me, you won't regret it. If you know how to trade and you're just getting in at the right time, you're going to make a killing. If you're smart and if you don't base your judgments off of emotion, but base it off technical analysis. You'll have crypto sides to help you along the way. Okay? So, what else is it going to mention to you guys? Let's see. We got Ontology. Oh, there's 2 coins I want to talk about real quick. We got the first coin I want to talk about is KIN, K-I-N. Now, I think KIN is a shit coin. Any coin that's in the billions of total supply, I don't generally like. Okay, I don't like billions. I like coins that are in the millions or lower. But KIN has some pretty good FOMO that's going to be coming soon, which I believe will cause a pump and dump. I'm going to stay on top of it, and when it does occur, I will make a video to let you guys know that a pump and dump is coming. So it won't be bad to get on that trade, to buy it right before it happens and sell at the top, okay, and then get out. Okay, another coin I was looking at is called Apollo. Apollo has some very big ideas it's acting on, and I think Apollo, even though it's fairly new, there's been a lot of FUD about it. I think Apollo will have some potential in the future. It just got released on IDAX July 10th. But I'm gonna do more research and stay on top of Apollo, and anything significant about any of these coins that I find, I'm gonna be sure to let you guys know ASAP. Now, a quick disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. I cannot give financial advice. With that being said, let's go stack these cryptos. Don't forget to press like and subscribe and tune in for more.